really one of us. Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's our special son. Come along, all of you now. Follow me. But stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him, legs ready and knees are not.
Look at him, that's obviously eggshell shop.
Let the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest northern fowl. Why are you so rude?
Ew, touchy.
Look at me, look at you, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes? Because you'd scare them off.
Now that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they let me assist giving him that chop.
Now the moment will be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and as you will notice, she has a red band of cloth around her leg. That is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means that she is looked up to by both men and animals.
Now, don't turn your toes. Just bow your head politely and say, when,
Honk!
Look at him. Come on, now tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long? He's my son and I love him. Do you see what you've done? You're to blame. This stockyard would be so boring if we all looked the same. Look at him, and be thankful that he's not your kid.
Let me go at him as a brother.
Look at him, down the tunnel when the tunnel rolls in.
And he's worse than any other.
Body work designed to show.